windshield, and there's no way I'm taking any other spot besides the back of the line because I don't want to be the reason for us fucking our shit. Boom! Boom! You're looking so good. Oh, wait, gotta put my window down. Oh, jeez. Are you gonna fall down if I do this? No? Alright, sick. I'm ready to go. This is gonna be a good day. Oh, my ear itches. Oh, this is terrible. Oh, this is, I can't get my finger in my ear. Oh, it itches so bad. I've got my anti-rattle shim in the windshield to keep it from making a whole lot of noise. Thank you. Okay. So fucking fast today? What is going on? This is crazy. That was weird. It went from lots of grip, lots of speed to slickery as shit. This car is feeling so fucking fast today. Like, that felt really, really fast. Definitely hit that tire. Man. Oh my god, today is gonna be such a good day. Oh yes, this is so good. Damn, that was so close. I just gassed it a little too much. Those were some super solid laps, dude. That last entry, if I could have pulled out of that, oh my god, that felt so good. Nice. Felt a little dirty, but it worked. go into first gear when it's moving, which is odd. Was I smoking that much? God damn. Oh yeah, that one's about done. Oh yeah, that one's about done. Nice. Alright, so I threw some new tires on the car. These ones are interesting though because they're a light truck tire. So they're like a 6-ply, like they're pretty heavy and they have a shit ton of tread. So I'm hoping these things will hold up. I imagine they will hold up like a lot better than regular tires I use. But like with the extra weight, like I'm kind of curious to see if the car will be able to spin them all right. Jesus. The car really does not want to go into first. Holy shit. Are feeling pretty good too, surprisingly. Oh yeah, these things got tons of life left. And they're still smoking, look at that. There's the young E30, and there's Cameron. Oh Jesus, dude. I told him there's no way I'm taking any other spot besides the back of the line because I don't want to be the reason for us fucking our shit. Oh, this is gonna be hectic as fuck. So bad, dude. Oh, I don't have brakes. Oh my goodness. Oh, I feel so fucking bad, dude. Oh my god. Dude, Cameron, I am so sorry, dude. I am so fucking sorry, dude.
I didn't feel like I wasn't that close, but like as I came out of the big sweeper, I just was so sideways I couldn't fucking stop it.
Dude, it's my bad anyways. It's my fucking, I hit the limiters and then it spins out.
Dude, I don't have brakes right now. My pedal's going to the floor. I don't know what the fuck. Dude, I'm so sorry.
Good, dude.
Like, I feel so bad.
Double flat.
Dude, I was coming in, I was just like, brake, 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 and I couldn't go anywhere. I know, bro! We're all making fucking Cameron's S13 a fucking hoopty today. I'm gonna have to take it super slow through the pits though, because I don't have any fucking brakes. First actual attempt at tandems and that happens. I guess this is a lesson on not pushing past your abilities. I shouldn't have even been trying to tandem without a fucking handbrake or like anything like that. Like that's just, oh my god. Oh, how bad is it? Wow, I got out of this way better than Cameron.
Oh my god.
Okay, no, before you say anything.
His fault, he keeps spinning.
Yeah.
Cameron, just follow, don't let anyone.
Well, see, like,
I look at my mirror and I go, fuck, Cameron spun again, and then I watch you go, boom! Oh, now it doesn't start?
No.
My battery's upside down.
Wait, what?
Oh my god.
Oh, it's not upside down.
Okay, we're okay. Nice.
This is why you have battery tie downs.
I had a good one.
Dude, I know.
Kidding me?
I know.
Hey, he needs a taillight.
Let me jump in your trunk now and push that.
So funnily enough, it's actually leaking brake fluid from the front. So I'm gonna get it up real quick and take a look at it and see what's going on. Dude, maybe though, because I fucking mashed on those bitches.
We should take a look. I felt super selfish.
Dude, no, I feel so bad for that. Like, as soon as you started coming towards my car, or I started going towards you, I was like, fuck, dude, it's happening.
It's my fault, dude. It's 100% my fault.
All right, so after taking a quick look at the brake lines, we got a leakage straight from where the brake line goes to the coilover. I don't even know. I'm assuming because I was at like full lock and I just slammed on the brakes like a motherfucker. That's why it just probably popped. But yeah, needless to say, my drift vent is over, or my day is over. And I'm probably gonna drive the S13 home, which I'm kind of excited about. All right, so we're going to pack up right now, and car's in neutral, but it's rolling forward when I let off the clutch. Oh, it went into first. Oh, but it wants to pull out? That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah.
Fuck. This car is falling apart now. And see, like, I can get it in reverse, but then it still goes forward. It still goes forward. What the fuck? Oh, what are we gonna do? Wait, so I guess we'll just have to leave clutch in, because like we can push it like this. Fuck, okay, I need to put this down. So we got the car in the trailer, but along with my reverse being like 5th gear or something like that, my door handle just broke too. So that's fun. From what it seemed like, neutral is 1st gear is maybe 1st gear, 2nd gear I think might still be 2nd gear. This bitch is falling apart. Made it back to my house. Car made it back on a trailer, of course, because, yeah, you know. Think I explained it before, but there's a lot wrong with the car now. Transmission seems relatively screwed. Don't have brakes because that brake line blew up. I don't even know with this transmission though, because like when the car's in neutral, it's in 1st gear. When it's in reverse, it feels like a high forward gear, like 3rd or 4th. And then I can't get into like any gear except for like 4th and 5th. So yeah, this thing is not having the best time, I'd say. I was gonna try and make it back to Spirit Peaks on October 30th because they were doing Paranormal Attractivity 2, but as of right now, it doesn't really look like I'm gonna make it. Overall, though, I was pretty happy with how the drift event went, aside from crashing into Cameron and all the other shit that happened. Like, the car was feeling super gripped up today. It was feeling super fast, and I had, honestly, a really good time. Like, every day at Spirit Peaks tends to be a good time, even when shit like this happens. So, you know, it's part of drifting. It was going to happen eventually. I had a feeling this car, in its current state, wasn't going to hold up to the abuse a whole lot longer, if I'm being honest. So, I can't say I didn't see it coming, but I think that's going to end it for this video, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. I hope y'all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.